Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us as we track this big low crossing the country and the warm subtropical airflow that goes with it. And it certainly is warm. Look at this northerly flow coming straight in across the country. You can see this area here. Well, that's basically where the winds switch from the subtropical northerlies to the Tasman Sea westerlies. But I got to say, if you track these northerlies, they go all the way down, around, and they get sucked into that low and back into the west coast. So it is really affecting much of the country. And that line you see there, that's pretty much the band of rain that is now moving across the North Island and will be clearing away in towards Wednesday night and Thursday morning. So this is how Thursday looks. There's the front. It's out to sea a lot further away, and the centre of the low is also now tracked just to the southeast of Dunedin. So the system is gradually moving along. There's also another area of pressure just out in the Tasman Sea still. That's why you can see the isobars looking a bit funny there. So there's a southerly now coming in to Southland and Otago. So things are about to get a little bit colder there for you, but I've got to say it's still being fed out of that subtropical airflow that is feeding on in. Showers continue around the North Island. You've still got the west to northwest winds, which means if you're over in Hawke's Bay, Gisborne, it'll be warm, getting up towards 20 degrees on Thursday. Into Friday, and it's a similar story around Hawke's Bay, warm, a little bit windy, and it should be mostly sunny. There are still showers over on the western side, but as you can see, the bulk of that low by Friday has pretty much moved out to the east and is clearing away from us. And behind it, well, we've got the windy westerlies that are coming on in for the weekend. So this is how it looks on Saturday. Showers along the west coast, showers around the North Island, but plenty of dry spells. You can see a big area of dry there. It won't be raining all day, but there will be a few showers coming into those western areas. The winds are from the westerly quarter. They'll be a little bit southwest, a little bit northwest, depending on where you are, and it'll be sunny and warm in eastern areas of both islands as a result of that wind flow. But by Sunday, it does get a little bit colder, and that's because of a high just south of Tasmania, this one you see here. So the anticyclonic winds, well, they scoop down to the Southern Ocean, and then they come back up again. So we're likely to be seeing snow on the ranges and the ski fields on Sunday, and it'll be still warm in the North Island, warmer than average for many areas, with the wet weather mostly on the west coast of the North Island, dry and sunny elsewhere. But like I say, in the south, you've got that southerly change that is coming in across the day. So there we go, quite a bit going on over the next few days. We'll update you again on Thursday with the latest.